Alright, Chuck, what's going on today? So, today we're going to talk about, I kind of went above my trading plan and took more than one trade. But the second trade I took was kind of the reason why I took the first trade. No, the first trade I took, like my issue with the first trade I took was the reason why I took the second trade. You see, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you know what I'm saying? Let's just dive straight to it. Top down analysis. And you know what I'm saying? Everything is saying go long. Once again, we're in all time highs. Uh, yeah, everything's saying go long. This is before, you know what I'm saying, we had this massive move down. But everything is saying go long, go long, go long. This is 10 in the morning, you know what I'm saying, go long. I also marked out, all right, this was a daily fair value gap that I got tapped into, and it was also a daily order block. No, this was like a 4 hourly order block. I think one of them two. But yeah, moving on. Hopped out to hourly. It was more fair value gaps up here, but they all got took down by this massive move down once market open. Literally, right when market open, had a crazy move down. But I looked at that move down as a blessing, because a good thing, because it allows us to see like where price is gonna draw towards next. So I enter off a 5 minute order. I'm at 5 minute breaker structure, off price touching equilibrium and going into the daily order block. Daily fair value gap. So enter out that. And then my issue was with this trade was because you're looking at the position, you're like wondering like, how did you lose? This is like, what the freak? How did you lose? How could you possibly lose? Like, what price is literally drawing towards your TP right now? Nah, buddy. Literally, my take profit and stop losses on this trading thing, I can't see that. I can't see when I go in the market and click take profit and stop loss. It doesn't allow me to see how much how much is being lost. Like, I can't really pinpoint how much money I'm losing in my risk management, and like, cause if I'm able to see like the money that's lost, then I could bear with, okay, like I'm willing to lose this amount and then keep on pushing. Like, you know what I'm saying? This time I'm using the miniature micro NQ. I'm also learned about my quantities and units and stuff. So I had the 5. Now first I had 10 because I was really confident about my entry. I had 10 contracts, and yeah. So how I lost in this trade is that I stopped out because I was moving my stop loss up because I was kind of anxious about not being able to see my stop loss. So I moved it like, I don't know where I moved it to. I think it was like right here. Like, I don't know, moved it here and then got stopped out like on these two candles, between these two. And then yeah. So now I'm sitting in the room thinking to myself like, bro, I need to figure out if I'm gonna be trading, gonna trade with you, yo. I need to figure out like, how to like, I could like, I gotta adapt. So I gotta like, you know what I'm saying, figure it out. I'm not saying take revenge, revenge test trades to see if, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? That was bad. I should have took that trade, but I lost like maybe $200 in this trade right here. But yeah, so don't be me. Don't take revenge trades, and also, but I also learned about that with the revenge trade I took. I actually, so you go to trade and you hit limit. I'm able to see how much my stop loss and how much my take profit, how much my stop loss is now. So I think that's what I'm gonna be using for now on. Um, it's just the fact that it's a limit, so I gotta do it on price, but that ain't too much of a hassle. So Now I feel more comfortable with this. Like I could see this, and then I could adjust the pips, like, and then it changes. It reminds me of trade locker. You know what I'm saying? That's where I store. I miss trade locker, man. All right, but yeah, though, we're not crying. We're emotionless. This don't phase me. You know what I'm saying? I'm just glad that I'm able to predict price. Um, that was my issue with these two trades and how that I have not won. But back to the actual biases. So um what time is it? This is 5:47. So at 5:47 I have a time snap. All right, cool. Back to the actual bias. Uh, so the reason why I did took this bullish trade because everything is saying bullish. I had all these type of order blocks and fair value guys that I took out before this, like this order block right here. This move down was order block. You know what I'm saying? It was a fair value gap right here on the four. This is all on the 4 hourly. And then there was some more stuff on the hourly, fair value gaps, like all that extra good stuff. But you see once we walk down to 15 minutes. You see once price open at 9:30 had this big tremendous move down. Yeah. And then I was expecting this move down because you know what I'm saying. First of all, um, if you go to the hourly, London session open. Okay, actually delete this. We're not gonna take a trade. How do I? All right, cool. London session open. London session open and took out Asia session lows and then reversed up. And that is itself is manipulation reversal. Manipulation to the downside. Manipulation to the downside into reversal up into new session continuation, which I was expecting. But when you're expecting a continuation, you also still have to look for manipulation because price is still gonna manipulate downward into a reversal, but it's continuing the up like the trend that it was reversing to, if you know what I mean. So I mean, you can see, bro. Why is it still there? As you can see, like price is still going up in a way. You know what I'm saying? It touched these, it touched equilibrium in these fair value gaps. So yeah, I'm really confident price gonna probably check out this high right here by tomorrow. If not, then that's something I'll probably draw towards. But anyway, so yeah, manipulation reversal into neutral continuation, and then I was able to pinpoint after this huge move down. So I really was glad we had this move down because I'm able to like draw towards recent highs and recent lows because we are literally in all time highs. We can't really do that for real. But yeah, other than that, enter off a 5 minute break of structure and then got stopped out because my stop loss was too high. My stop loss was originally down here, but I was moving it, you know what I'm saying, amongst price and moved it up too far up, and then boom, I got stopped out. But now that I'm able to see the price and how much I'm losing and the percentage I'm losing, then I will be more confident of leaving the trade alone. Cause, um, yeah. So with that being said, starting tomorrow, I'll be able to like pinpoint my stop losses and take profits, and then like have like a certain amount that I'm willing to lose every day, and then a certain amount that I'm trying to make, and then we could just, you know what I'm saying, be ready to grow. And I'm always gonna probably have like the most contracts I'm gonna have is probably five. It's gonna be five, and then you know what I'm saying. I was trying to do this thing where, as price goes up, I will take out a contract. You know what I'm saying. I be see people do that, but then I'll be having to sit here and watch it every now and then. But I ain't tripping on that. But as you can see, price is moving up the way I wanted. It was supposed to move in the first place, but yeah, um, that's it for today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're gonna wrap it up tomorrow. We're gonna wrap this video up and then wrap bro, wrap this video up and hope y'all are having good trades and taking good trades and not taking revenge trades like I is. And yeah. Y'all have an amazing day. God bless y'all. Love y'all boys, love y'all girls, and deuces.